Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. If you call 36 million miles close, Mercury is a pretty teeny planet, the smallest of the 8 major planets. Because of its size and nearness to the Sun, the planet is often hard to see from the Earth without a telescope. Sometimes us humans can see Mercury low in the western sky, just after sunset. At other times we can see it low in the eastern sky, just before sunrise. Mercury moves around the Sun faster than any other planet. It is wicked fast. Mercury travels about 30 miles per second. A white-tailed deer can run that far too, but in an hour. Mercury orbits the Sun in 88 days. It takes the Earth 365 days to accomplish that feat. Speaking of fast, that is how Mercury got its name. In mythology, Mercury is the Roman version of the Greek god Hermes. Hermes, besides having a funny-sounding name, was the fast messenger of the gods, and also the protector of travelers and merchants. A lot of artwork of Mercury, or Hermes, has him wearing cool sandals with wings on him. Mercury's surface is a lot like our moon. It has broad, flat plains. No, not those kind of plains. It has large, steep cliffs. No, not those kind of cliffs. And it has many deep craters. No, not those kind of craters. Yes, those kind of craters, just like the ones on the moon. The craters formed when meteors, or small comets, crashed into the planet. Mercury doesn't have much of an atmosphere, so the comets and meteors often make it right to the surface. Earth's atmosphere helps burn up small meteors and comets, so our surface is rarely hit by falling space objects. Look out! Mercury's largest crater measures about 800 miles across. 800 miles across! That is longer than the length of California. Mercury is a very dry, extremely hot, and almost airless planet. The temperature on the planet may reach a scorching 840 degrees during the day. Don't forget the sunscreen. But at night, the temperature may drop as low as 275 degrees below zero. That's pretty chilly. Because of Mercury's climate, scientists doubt that the planet has any form of life. I'd say that's probably a safe guess considering that weather. Yikes! Mercury.